What's going on YouTube? It's Rico, and today we're going to be talking about how you guys can start dropshipping with only $300. Yes, that is right, $300.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives.
Yo, so if you're new, welcome to the channel. My name is Rico. Me and my partner Dan talk all things Amazon, whether that's FBA or private label dropshipping or little, retail arbitrage. Pretty much anything that deals with e-commerce. If that sounds good to you, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Click the little notification bell. It's around there somewhere. So let's go ahead. Let's talk about how you guys can get started dropshipping for $300. And I really do mean $300. So I'm pretty sure you guys are all familiar with Shopify and all that bogus BS that they're talking about. Oh, you can start for absolutely free. It's free. It is not free. You're going to spend a whole lot of money, especially on ad traffic, okay? Now, nothing in this world is free. Maybe the air that you breathe, but that's besides the point. Really, nothing that you're going to get into is free. Me and Dan, we try to make it as cheap as humanly possible for you guys to get started with this, okay? We try to make sure that you guys are not spending a buttload of money because we know a lot of people don't have a ton of money.
Oof. Yeah, man. Whole lot of racks, man. Whole lot of jumper jacks
to spend getting into this method. So, realistically, guys, it does not take very much money to get into this at all, okay? So we're gonna break this down. Just say you got $300 in your bank account right now. What you guys are gonna need is an Amazon seller account. You're gonna need the Pro account, okay? So you go to Amazon, you go to your Seller Central, and you open your account. It is $39.99. So now that you have got that out the way, that is $39.99. So you've effectively spent $40. You're down to $260 left, all right? AMZ Scout Pro is the tool that we use. Plug. So AMZ Scout Pro is the Amazon product research tool that we use. We absolutely love it. And so you get to use AMZ Scout Pro for 25 searches for absolutely free. After that, you have to pay. Okay, so you're gonna be down to what, $220 after that point? So $220 left. And then you need to go get yourself some UPC codes. Now those are generally not all that expensive. You can pick up UPC codes for like $20, all right? So let's just say you spent $100 now between your seller account, your Amazon Pro seller account, and then AMZ Scout Pro to do your product research. And you got your UPC codes, and you're also going to need a keyword research tool, all right? Merchant Words is a very good one. Now you are down to a little bit under $200. Now it's just time for you to go and start listing your products. Guys, you can list for free. It just costs you a UPC code for all the stuff that you're listing, okay? So that's literally how you get started for less than $300. Like you would need a few, you need that $150 so that way you can place some orders and get those products shipped out, and then you can get paid, okay? But that's literally how you can start for less than $300. Check out the description and get the links below. I got your plug. Yeah, so join the free Facebook group and stuff, down there. We give away tons of stuff, man. And plus, there's tons of free value in there, man. We're always hooking you guys up. We always try to help you guys out. We answer all the questions ourselves, baby, ourselves. Be safe, be smart. Now you can go.